What's the best country in the world? Obviously, we are not going to rank all the countries, so we have the top 4 countries in the world, which are India, China, USA, and Russia. So let's start. In terms of GDP, our winner is the United States, which has a GDP of around $30 trillion, followed by China with $19 trillion, India with $4 trillion, and Russia with $2 trillion. Accordingly, USA gets 10 points, China gets 8 points, India gets 5 points, and Russia gets 3 points. In terms of soldiers, our winner is India, followed by Russia, China, and the United States with 5.5 million, 3.5 million, 3.1 million, and 2.1 million soldiers respectively. Now each one has these points. India also wins this one with 1.45 billion people, followed by China with 1.4 billion people, USA with around 350 million people, and Russia with around 150 million people, making India on the lead. So as we know, the largest one here is Russia, followed by USA, China, and India, with the areas of 17 million square kilometer, 9.8 million square kilometer, 9.5 million square kilometers, and 3.2 million square kilometers. Next is GDP per capita, which means how much GDP is made per person, in which it is USA with around $90,000, followed by Russia with around $17,000, China with around $13,000, and India with around $3,000, resulting in these points. So nuke is like a bomb which can destroy an whole city, with Russia with around 6,000 nukes, USA with around 5,500 nukes, China with around 500 nukes, and India with 180 nukes. So after all, these are the overall points, but each country has its own advantage. So who wins in your opinion? Comment down below. So thanks for watching. Bye.